You just got done defining your best life. Now it's time to break that down into actionable steps. The word aspire or aspiration has two meanings. One is to desire something like a goal. The other is to breathe. If you follow these steps very closely, goal setting will become as natural as breathing for you. So what we're going to do is create our top 5 aspirations from our best life exercise. Go ahead and get started by selecting the trophy option from the Create menu. Your completed aspirations will serve as those trophies on that path to your best life. Now, each aspiration will align to an aspect of your best life. So you want to make sure that you select the correct best life category. Next, you're going to add a description. Now, your description needs to be specific. Your goals should be SMART, specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-oriented. So you want to make sure that this aspiration is one single thing and you know exactly what it is. For your status, leave it as future for now until we can get through those top 5 items. Lastly, add the priority. What is the number 1 priority out of those top 5 that you're going to be working on? Once you've completed your top 5 and prioritized, go to the next step and I'll help you take that number 1 priority and break it down even further.